I want to thank Claudia and Stephanie from We Wash Laundry Company for the wonderful testimonial for Curbside Laundries. We make the in-store point of sale and pickup and delivery software made just for wash and fold.
So I recommend Curbside Laundries because where do I start? There are so many reasons. We'll never forget you picking up the phone. Steph and I were actually sitting in this kitchen at the kitchen table about 2 years ago when we decided we wanted to jump into this industry, or so we were kind of doing our research and discussing it with no experience whatsoever. So we called you after a Google search and you actually picked up the phone. But not only did you pick up the phone, I think we chatted for roughly 45 minutes. So just the fact that you had the time for us and you thoroughly explained everything, and even if we were hesitant prior to speaking with you, you honestly sold us the industry on top of, using the software. So you took the time with us and you've been a wonderful mentor ever since. So that's why we recommend it.
Find out more about the Curbside Laundries wash and fold solution at curbsidelaundries.com. Thanks for watching.